Okay, GBPUSD for the week commencing 18th October 2020. Doing this a bit different this week with the review around the Monday night close of New York session. Basically, still if we start on the weekly time frame, you can see that last week's candle closed bearish. For me, structure remains bullish for as long as we hold above the 1.2675 area, this low around here. So as long as we hold above this low here, for me structure is still bullish. I do think that we could see a pullback of some sort to take out these lows here before moving to the upside. If we do, looking at fib levels, we can check them on lower time frames, but possibly around the 61.8 fib to test 1.32, which has been a target of mine for a while now. Drop into the daily time frame. We're about 15 or so minutes away from the daily close, so we're going to get a bullish close, but we did see a rejection of the 1.30 level, which I mentioned yesterday in my Telegram analysis, saying that this was a key level which I think could be tested. We got a move up from London session, I believe. Rejected it around New York, and we've been pushing down ever since. We'll be looking at the lower time frames for setups on this pair, but ideally would see the low of the week taken out before pushing to the upside to test 1.3060 and then 1.32 longer term. On this time frame, if we do close below 1.28 area, we could see a retest before falling to test the 1.27 area. But like I said, for now, bias is bullish, so we'll see what reactions we get. In terms of the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we saw a push up which started in Asia, and then London Open saw a strong move to test the 1.30 level. Got two rejections on the 4-hour time frame. Price struggled to break it, closed below it, and then we got the drop of around 60 or so pips down to the next zone. So what I'll be looking for now is, well, I'll see where we are at London session tomorrow, see if we manage to break this zone. If so, we can get a retest and a sell, possibly down to 1.2820 area. Or if we see a pullback around tomorrow morning, we might get some sell opportunities around the 1.2980 area possibly, and then take a sell down to this zone. If we do see price test this zone around here, 1.2820 area, be looking for maybe a move such as this, so a move to the downside followed by a reaction if we get it on the lower time frames, and a move to the upside here to test 1.3060 area, and if we break that level, then up to 1.32. There is a higher time frame harmonic pattern, which if you look at my previous videos, you'll see how I've got that mapped out. So as long as we stay above this level, that's still valid. If not, like I say, we could see a move down to test the 1.27 area. So yeah, tomorrow morning I'll be looking at how prices treated this zone in Asia, and then look for some sell opportunities, and then we will take it from there.